Dear students, welcome to our online class. I am Mohammad Mohiminul Kabir, Senior Teacher, Khan Public School and College, Sohitpur, Nilphamari. In the last class, we discussed about transformation of sentence. We transform simple sentence to complex sentence. Today, we are going to discuss simple form to compound form. And already we have learned what is the characteristics of compound sentence. Compound sentence contains two independent clauses, and these two clauses joined by and, or, yet, but, etc. Now look at the board. If you get present participle in a simple sentence, how can we transform it into compound form? In here, first sentence, taking light food, he wants to save money. Whenever taking its verb plus ing, that means it is a present participle. So whenever you will get the present participle, that time which subject we use in the main clause, that subject will come first. That means he, and it is once it is a present tense, so taking verb will be in here, takes. Light food, then you have to add in here and. Then subject, verb plus remaining part of this sentence. That means he takes light food and he wants to save money. In here, he is subject, same subject, so we don't need to write again and again same sentence. If the sentence subject is different, in that cases you can write the subject in here. Okay, so the compound form will be he takes light food and he wants to save money. Rule number 2, whenever you will get being adding in a simple sentence, that time how can you change it into compound form? First of all, which subject we use the independent clause, that subject will come first. He is using in here being honest, he could not tell a lie, and could not tell, that means it is a past tense. So first of all we use in here subject he in here, and it is past tense, so he was, and it is honest, and add and remaining part what is? He could not tell a lie, and he could not tell a lie. Then what is the sentence? He was honest and he could not tell a lie. It is a compound form. Okay. Then whenever you will get the perfect participle, that time how can you transform it into compound form? Simple sentence, having done the work, I went home. First of all, in the same rule, first of all we use the independent, which subject we use in here, that subject will come first, I. In here we use having. So having verb, in here we use past form, when. So having past form is had, and past participle done, I had done the work, and in here use and I went home, then it will be a compound form. Next, 2 plus adjective plus 2. How can we transform it into compound form? Simple sentence, he is too weak to walk, too weak to run. In that time, instead of to, we use very, then adjective, then we add and again we use first subject in here he, and he is, that means it is a present tense, so in here we use cannot. If it is the past form, he was too weak to run, he was very weak and he could not run. Okay. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. Whenever you will get some adverb in a simple sentence, that time how can we transform it into compound form? Such as surely, suddenly, truly, surprisingly, accidentally, certainly, etc. Whenever you will get such type of adverb in a simple sentence, that time we can use that means surely, accidentally. Surely will be sure, suddenly will be sudden, truly will be true, surprising will be surprise, accidentally accident, and certainly will be certain. For example, surely he will come, and its compound form will be he will come first, he will come, and add and for making it compound form, and then another subject it, and in here it is sure. In this way, certainly he meets me very soon. He meets me very soon, and it is certain. Certainly convert into certain, then it will be compound form. Next, whenever you will get in a sentence in spite or despite of, for making it into compound form, instead of in spite or despite, we use but. For example, simple, in spite of his poverty, he is honest. First of all, in here possessive form he is, in here its subjective form is he, and he is honest, so it is a present form, so present tense, and we use in here is. And poverty convert into adjective form poor, then we use but. He is next part, he is honest, he is honest. Okay, that means the sentence is he is poor but honest. Subject is, subject and verb is same, so we don't need to write again he is. For make you understand, I have written in the board he is. That means sentence will be he is poor but honest. That means in here he is, okay, and it is compound form. And in this way you practice more and more sentences from different grammar books, and I believe that you can transform any simple form to compound form very easily. Okay, next day we meet you again. Stay safe and sound. Allah Hafiz.